What is up, guys? My name is Trey, and today we got a new bot for you to check out, something we've stumbled across, but it's SX Live Bot, and it is an amazing bot for your Discord to push going live notifications for Twitch, YouTube, but today we're focusing on Kick, because Kick is becoming something that a lot of people are enjoying checking out, and I want to tell you why you should use it over other bot options for your Kick live stream notifications. One thing that stands out to this bot from others is the speed. Notifications are sent within seconds of going live, unlike other bots that sometimes take several minutes. Also, it's reliable. We've not missed one notification, one going live alert. It handles everything. It's super efficiency, very quick, and is always reliable. It also has a 5-star rating on top.gg, so you can check that out if you want some more references about this SX Live bot. And then it's also on Kick. It is used by large Kick streamers such as Aiden Ross, Action Man, Destiny, and many more. But now, how to set up SX Live Bot. It's super simple. You're going to go to the website, sxlivebot.com. The link to the website will be in the description. You're simply going to add this bot to your server, which we're just going to walk you through this. We're going to select our server and give it all the permissions that it's needed, authorized it. Then it's going to bring you to this page. We're not going to deal with this page. We're going to jump ahead to the Discord. Once in the Discord, all you have to do in order to activate this live bot is two simple commands. The first one being plus kickchannel, and then add, or set rather, my apologies, set, and then the name of the text channel in your Discord that we want the going live notifications to go to. So we're just going to put it we've made one called the SX Live Bot. So we're just going to set it there. So you can type this in any of your text channels, hit enter, updated the Kick notification channel to SX Live Bot. So now that we've done that, we can jump over here, and the next command, all you have to do, once that bot's in that channel, you can simply add up to, with the SX Live Bot free version, you can add up to 5 Kick streamers that you'll get notifications for, so you can use yourself and 4 friends. Or if you have favorite streamers on Kick and you don't want to miss when they're going live, you can add them to your Discord channel, and it will post that live notification immediately when they hit going live on Kick. So to add these streamers, just another simple command, plus Kick streamers, add, and then the name of the streamer that you want to use. For instance, myself, I'll just put Treylo TV. And so that's going to find, and he's already in the list because I've added him previously. So anytime I go live on Kick, you're going to get a pre-made message that's looking similar to this. Treylo TV just went live. Now with the default command, it is going to add everyone, but that is super easy to change. And if you have questions about that, find us in our Discord, leave us a comment if we can be of any help to you. We know personally the SX Live developer, the producer, so we can get you into contact with him as well. But I'm going to leave you 2 links in the description if you need help. Number 1, to the SX Live bot support, super helpful. Very nice people. PK Ash over there is an awesome developer, and he's very hands-on with this bot and has done many wonderful things with it, and will be glad to answer any questions that I may not be able to. If you've enjoyed this video, leave us a like, leave us a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing the channel, and more than anything, be sure to check out SX Live. Awesome bot, and it will handle a lot of things beyond just Kick live streams.